So this month we're at basically 800K or 799K for the month. The biggest month we've had without me having to talk to one customer. That's been my wife and I's goal. Like, we need to build out our team already so that we can start going on vacation. So when I was doing a lot of the work myself, I would pocket a lot of the profit for that one job that I was doing myself, but I had no time. And so my relationship, like my wife and I weren't spending that much time. Same thing with my kids. And I was neglecting my health as well. So it kind of reframed my mindset to prioritize my time. And I'm willing to be at the same pay or take even a pay cut as long as I can get more time. And I built a business that can generate income without me actually doing the work, actually painting the houses.
Comment learn for my free ebook.